away. I'm shivering cold, worried about the car ride over. Your sister brought your old clothes. I'm sure the Atlantic can't wait to have you. Don't forget to set your clocks back, and please call me when you get there. I'll leave the light on every night, just in case if you get scared. The look in your eyes was timeless when I said those words. I won't say goodbye, but please know I love you. Winter had left the windows frostbit, so I drew some dreams I had on the ones facing the parking lot. The sunrise reminded me of your smile, and how the photos could never make up for it. You say it's just miles and a few months. I'll be back before you know it. Well, I'll be waiting here on purpose, so don't you leave me guessing too long. Darling, don't you go. Darling, don't you go. The months have faded slowly but surely. The moonlit balcony hasn't been the same. I've left the doors unlocked, just hoping that maybe you might get back early. I haven't slept a wink for 8 weeks.